I get asked this question or questions like this all the time about Google Forms. How do I know if my Google form was submitted? Why am I getting put back to the top of the Google form? I don't understand. So I thought, you know what? I'm gonna take a Google form. I'm gonna fill it out. And I'm going to show you, I think it's really the last 2 pages that you need to know about that confirms that you have submitted your response. Let me go to a form and show you what I'm talking about. Here's a Google form that I created. And it's very simple, it's no big magic, but they all work the same way. So I'm on the front page. It says, go ahead and hit next. Now it wants to know, who am I? I'm Teddy. It wants to know what crime do I want to confess to. I'm going to say state. And what's the details? I stole a pink unicorn. And then when did it happen? This year. And then who do you think was impacted by what you did? The unicorn. And then will you be willing to discuss this with the authorities? I'm going to say yes. I'm going to hit next, and then now look where I am. This is the next to the last page. It says submit. This is actually the last page on the form where I'm recommending you go look at my website, and this is the last page. When you click submit, it should bring you back to a page that clearly says your response has been recorded. If you don't get the submit button, if you don't get your response has been recorded, it wasn't recorded, period. It just didn't happen. Now, this form is set up to submit another response. Now, could be that big fingers or whatever, you clicked on submit another response, brings you back to the beginning of the form so you can do another one. But the bottom line, if you don't, on a Google form, if you don't see the submit button, and if you don't see this page, which whatever it says up top here, it should say your response has been recorded, it wasn't recorded. At that point, I would encourage you, if it's absolutely critical that you submit something, I encourage you to go contact the form owner, ask them, did you get my submission? And if not, then I would recommend you go back to the top and do it again. Look, bottom line, if you don't think it worked, just go back to the top of the form. However you get back to the top of the form and do it again until you see the submit button and until you see those words that says your response has been recorded. I'm Teddy, your Google Workspace and Gmail guy. I hope this is helpful for you.